I'm Wayne Millage. I'm the president of Allpak Trojan Litho. We're a converter here in the Pacific Northwest. We focus on high-end corrugated packaging, folding cartons, single-face laminate, and our niche in the market is really more of the high-end demanding customer, people that have high graphics needs, color consistency needs. We had the machine we were using the soda blasting to clean the rolls. We found that that was problematic. People would not do it because it took a long time, it was messy. I would go to the press room on a number of occasions, there'd be soda on the floor, that something had gotten clogged. Different operators used it differently, and what would happen is we would start to get some degradation in our print capabilities from order to order over time. Once we put the MicroClean unit in, all that went away. So it was easy for us to make sure that the rolls were getting cleaned on a regular basis. The machine cleans every roll exactly the same way. The operator gets to put it in, close the lid, push a button, walk away. So they weren't being tied up. They were able to be productive and do other TPM or running other orders while the rolls were being cleaned. No mess. And it really maintained our cell volume. Our ink carrying was maintained pretty good, and we were able to put a good process in place and continue to check it. So we've been really happy with the machine.
Jeff Dumbach with Corrugated Synergies International, project engineer. Prior to the MicroClean, we were constantly having to make adjustments to the ink, making adjustments to impression, trying to get more consistent color. But as soon as we went to the MicroClean, we saw the advantages of having a clean roll cleaning process by having a more consistent print day in, day out, run to run, color to color. The MicroClean has become one of our standard pieces of equipment. We wouldn't start a new plant without one.
My name is Sean Mead. I'm a production supervisor here at Allpak Trojan. We would clean the rolls with hot soapy water and/or use the soda blaster, and that was leaving the roll inside the press. This was a bit messy. You couldn't run the machine because you had to have the machine open, hook up all this apparatus to the inside of the press to clean the rolls. And once we were able to get the MicroClean, now we can do it outside of the press. It's very easy, quick. Just to remove the rolls from the press, roll them over to the MicroClean, and hoist it up into the machine. And with a few short, buttons pushed, the thing is up and running. And in a short period of time, the roll is clean. To be able to reproduce a color, to have the strength you need in some of the more vibrant things that we run. If you see some of these items, that bright yellow, this box here, these are some of the things that we need to be able to run that same color the next time, and having a dirty Anilox roll, you're not going to be able to do that. The MicroClean is something that we appreciate every day.